Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my videos. So today's video I'll be showing you what my room looks like. As most of you know, I'm in the University of Ilorin, so this is how my room looks like. Just nothing too much. So the first thing you see in my room, that's behind the door actually, are my bags. I actually hate that space. I really hate it. I don't know what to do with that space, but we'll figure it out. So they are my bags, and I don't stay alone. I stay with my sister. So this is my bed. I mean, what's a room without a bed? And I don't have a bed stand. Then these frames, they were actually a gift from a friend for me and my sister. And then this bookshelf, I don't know what we're thinking when we made this, but then books are there. Then my hair product, and what is at the last side is, they are just things that I need regularly on a daily basis. Then we actually got this TV installed recently because we had an extra TV at home, and why not? Then this is my makeup bag, and then the wardrobe, the mirror on the wardrobe. The wardrobe did not come with the mirror actually. We removed the frame from our mirror, and then we use just a glue to put it on the wardrobe. Then this is my wardrobe, nothing too serious. And then my wigs and my shoes. And then moving on to the kitchen, nothing too serious. The eggs, onions are in that basket. Then my plates, water, noodles. If you're in school and you're not eating noodles, I don't know. Then just spices, milk, Milo, beverages. Then the pots, my gari. My sister loves gari, so gari is there. Then rice, and then electric kettle. Nothing too serious. The gas is there. I don't know why I did not show you guys the gas. Then this wall sticker, it actually came in a set, but I can't see myself putting leaf in my room, so I just put the leaf in the kitchen. And then I'll show you guys the remaining pack is actually in the room. Then this is the bedroom, nothing too serious, it's not big. Yeah, this is the remaining wall stickers, so just use it for that space, and then put like two close to the frame. And that's what my room looks like. Basically, it's just a minimalist student's room, and I stay off campus. I don't stay inside the school. I stay outside the school in the University of Ilorin. So that's what my room looks like. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and always comment. I'll always reply. Please comment. This is what I look like every time I'm not doing anything and I'm alone in the room. This is what I look like. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. Bye.